Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Embedding images in HTML emails is essential for professional marketing. You have three main ways to do this correctly. The first and most common method is using external hosting. You upload your image to a web server or a service like Imager. Then, you use a standard HTML image tag. The source attribute points to the absolute URL of that image. This keeps your email file size small. It also ensures your messages do not get caught in spam filters easily. However, many email clients block images by default. Users must click a button to see them. The second method is called CID embedding. You attach the image directly to the email. You then reference it using a unique content ID in your HTML code. This allows the image to show up even if the user is offline. The downside is that it makes your email much larger. Large emails often get flagged as suspicious. The third method is base64 encoding. You convert your image into a long string of text data. You paste this code directly into the source attribute of your image tag. This eliminates the need for external files or attachments. Be careful because this method significantly increases your code length. Many major email providers like Outlook and Gmail might block base64 images entirely. For the best results, stick to external hosting. Always include alternative text in your tags. This helps people understand the image content if it fails to load. Make sure your images are optimized for fast loading. Use clear file names and keep your dimensions consistent for a clean layout.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.